Good day guys, I'm Hasan Chakur and I'm from CAD Gizmo. Friends, in this video we are going to draw this shape in AutoCAD. So let's start the video. And guys, before I start the video, please like, subscribe and share my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to see the latest updates. And friends, first we draw this circle and this circle, and for that type C and enter. Give the center point and give the diameter of 54 units. Type D for diameter and give the value 54 units. And now we draw this circle with a diameter of 94 units. Type C for circle, pick the center point and type D and give the value 94 units. And now we make this circle with the radius of 37 units. 37 units. And we change the layer. .2 units line type scale. And now we draw this circle, and for that first we draw a line. And now we draw an angle with the 30 degree. Type 65 and press tab and give the angle 60 degree. And now we check the angle. Like this. So in this way we draw this angle. Now we draw this circle. Type C for circle and give the diameter 12 units. Now we make other circles with the polar array. Give the center point and click on close array. So in this way we make all of our circles. Now we draw this circle with the radius of 100 units. Like this. And we extend this line like this. And with the MA command we change the properties of this circle. And we draw a circle here with the radius of 12 units. Like this. And we draw this circle, outer circle, with the radius of 23 units. 23 units. And press enter. Now we draw a circle here. Like this. We select these circles. With the MI command we mirror it and click on no. Now we use the trim tool, TR double enter. We trim all of these circles. We select it and delete it. With the TR double enter. Select this circle and delete it. So in this way we make this shape. Now we make the offset 36 units. And for that we draw a line here and we make the offset 18 units on both sides. Now we check the dimensions. 36 units. Now we make the circle here with the radius of 10 units. With the tan radius, we draw this circle. Select this circle and select this line and give the value 10 units. Now we give the value 9 units. And with the TR double enter, we trim all of our circles. Now we select it and delete it. So guys, in this way we make this shape. And guys, if you have any question related to this video, then please leave a comment or contact me on WhatsApp also. So guys, take care yourself and see you soon in the next video.